Hello everybody! White to play and win here, and white's pawns are moving forward in this direction. So it's white to play and win, and white has two pawns and black has two pawns. But the problem is going to be if black captures our pawns, right? So we have to find a way to promote one of our pawn or to just win black's rook. That way we would end up winning this position. So pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So first off, if you play and capture this, that doesn't work because black would simply capture your pawn and black is just in front of your pawn, right? So this is not going to make us the winner, right? So this is not the solution, of course. And the other thing you may probably try is playing rook to g7. So what is the problem with this move? Well, now in this position, most people think black would simply capture this, and after you capture it, it's going to be a check, right? After you capture the rook with the pawn, it's a check, so the king must capture, and you'd capture on b7, and you'd safely promote. In this way you can win the game. However, this is not a win, because now in this position, after you play rook to g7, black is not going to capture it immediately. What black can do is black would simply ignore the rook and capture the a6 pawn, right? And now if you capture the rook, black would simply capture back the rook, and black would simply capture your pawn on the next move, and that is going to be just a draw at most. So if you didn't capture, what else can you play? You may probably defend your pawn again, but this doesn't help you, right? Black would simply push the pawn and you wouldn't make any progress, right? So in this position, black would simply get the draw, right? Black can even move out with the rook and may try to attack the rook and the pawn, and eventually black is going to capture your pawn, and this is of course not the correct move. Well, there is only one move. I said that in the beginning, and that move is rook to b6, completely giving up the rook. Well, in this position, black can do three things, right? Three different things, but every move leads to a victory for white. So first off, if black captures our rook, accepting the sacrifice, we simply push our pawn, and the pawn, the black's own pawn on b7, is just serving as an umbrella, and we can actually pass through it safely. The rook cannot attack our pawn, and simply we are going to make a queen, and on the next move we are going to capture the pawn, so does this pawn, and we are going to win the game later. So that is what is going to happen if black accepts the sacrifice. If black captures this is the second scenario where black captures our pawn, ignoring the rook on b6. We simply play rook to b8, and that is going to be simply a checkmate because of the pawn preventing the king from escaping, right? So black cannot capture these two pieces. So what can black do? Well, if black plays a move like this, making the king out of the the danger, we can simply capture this, and as you can see here, we are going to promote our pawn, and now black cannot actually capture this because we are going, it's defended by the rook, and black can actually capture like this, but at the end of the day we can simply promote to a queen and capture the pawn, and this time we would have even an extra pawn to help us win the game with a queen very easily. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap, the first position of the puzzle is this. We are going to play rook to b6 first and then sacrifice the rook. Well, if black captures our pawn, ignoring the rook, we simply play rook to b8 to checkmate. If black captures our rook, accepting the full sacrifice of a rook, we simply push using black's own pawn as umbrella. We simply pass through it and make a queen. And if black, of course, moves the king, we simply capture the pawn that would be defended by the rook, and anything other than are crazy moves, right? So if black moves the rook, we simply capture like this. It's going to be the same move, right? So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.